Hi sir, this is Mary Eileen Grace, Miggy for short. Thank you for entering your giveaway. If I win, I want to buy some needs of my baby. She's birthday today and it's this time of Philippines is 5:04 a.m. She's sleeping at my back. This is my baby. She's so cute and my mother. If I win, I want buy some needs of my baby like diapers and wipes and milk and more. And thank you for chance of winning if ever I win. Um, you're so in your channel. You're so generous and kind person. More blessing to come and hopefully you're enjoy your day, and I want to thanks to you. um Thank you, that's all.